Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for Shadyside. It'll be in effect from February 9th, 11 a.m. EST until February 10th, 7 a.m.
Of course.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Fayette Ridges, Fayette west of Chestnut Ridge.
There we go.
Forest,
Took him a
Greene,
while.
Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, Venango, Washington, Westmoreland Ridges and Westmoreland west of Chestnut Ridge. And the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Eastern Preston, Eastern Tucker, Hancock, Marion, Marshall, Monongalia, Ohio, Preston, ridges of eastern Monongalia and northwestern Preston, western Tucker, and Wetzel. Wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Friday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northwest, southwest, and western Pennsylvania. Portions of northern and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. When? From 11 a.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Friday. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects.